Hello everyone, it's Coin Maverick here. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to receive updates from us whenever we post one. So I made a video about this Soul Peak, which is where you can earn free Solana, and I'll be making a live withdrawal on this platform. So you can refer to my old video on how to go about the games and how to sign up and the rest. So with that said and done, I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw on this platform. So when you click on here, you click on withdraw, and as you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 0.0025 Solana, and my balance, as you can see, my balance, I've reached the minimum withdrawal. So I'm going to copy my wallet address and paste on here. I'm going to hit on the amount and solve the capture and withdraw. So let me go get my withdrawal address. So I've come on here and I'm going to copy the address, and then I'll go back to the platform, pasted the address, and then I'll impute the amount. I'll just click on max and I'll solve the captcha. I'll click on withdraw. So as you can see, withdrawal success, and I'm going to be expecting the withdrawal notification from my Bybit soon. You'll be getting an email that requests you to confirm the withdrawal. So just click on the link and it's going to confirm your withdrawal. Some hours. The payment has arrived in my account, and I'm sure it has been confirmed.